Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have these. These are some lighted tip syringes and we're gonna give these things a look and see how they are. I'm not sure even how to open the package without breaking it. Well, they wrapped it up way too good. That makes it almost impossible to open. Okay, here we go. There's the syringe. Here's other parts, pieces, and parts. Okay. So here we go. We have some instructions. And this is the instructions if you need them. That's that side of them and this side of them as well. Okay, and so here we go. Here's the syringe with a curved tip, as it said. I think this is for like tonsil stones, so it'll go in the back of your mouth. But let's see what we got going on here. We'll open this up. And this is, I guess, a little lighted glass tube one. And this is the light apparatus there. Ooh, look at that. So, and it comes with a little scraper here. So, let's see. So we have all these different pieces and parts. I'll show you all the parts here in a second, as I don't break the kit open. Okay, so here we go. So this is the kit here. It came with these different tips and pieces here and the batteries. And so these comes with two different sizes of these, or actually three different sizes of these glass tips. You got that one, and then a short one here. I think it looks like there's three of these. Well, the short ones have different shapes, or that's like a weird one. That's like a tweezer. So that's like gonna be lighted tweezer, and this is a little ball piece here. So these are all different pieces and parts that you would put into, I'll just grab one here, I guess this one here, and you stick it into the tip, and then look, when you light it up, it lights it up. So this gives you the ability to light up inside the mouth while you're syringing. So how cool is that? Kind of gives you that whole ability to do the two things here. It's kind of cool. So you have the different tips that light up. So I can have that tip. This one here is going to be another ball tip here. So you can see, and it lights up my hand here, just as an example. And what is that one that looks like a tweezer do? Let's see, where's that one? That one was here. That's this one here. Let's see what that one is. Oh, so it lights up both sides of it. So that's going to be kind of cool. So you could like have a lighting up as you're tweezering and syringing right in there. Pretty cool. I guess this gets rid of tonsil stones and things. So I don't know. It looks like it's a cool device. Thumbs up for me.